A number of heavy equipments have arrived at the Mandalika Circuit, Lombok, in order to prepare for repaving the circuit track.
Plan to repave the circuit is based on requests coming from Dorna Sports and Federation Internationale de Motociclisme after receiving inputs from several MotoGP riders who just finished their first test last week at the circuit. Dorna Sports ensures the repaving works will not change the MotoGP scheduled to be held at the Mandalika circuit, which will host Serie 2 MotoGP 2022 in March. Producers of soybean products such as tempeh and tofu in several cities in Indonesia began a three-day mass strike Monday to stop their production activities following the rise of soybean import prices impacting domestic soybean prices. They include tempeh and tofu producers in the area of Cianjur, West Java.
Among them is tempeh workers in the Ciranjang district who have agreed not to produce tempeh or tofu during the strike. This is a form of protest against the government following import prices of soybean rose up to 20% to a range of 11,000 to 11,700 rupiah per kilogram. Through the strike, tempeh or tofu makers hope the government can take action and reduce the prices so they can continue to produce tempeh or tofu with lower soybean prices.